ready, Alan.
All right, it's recording right here, but
It's recording already?
yeah, on this side. So then you record from there.
Okay.
But
Angel, come sit over here. Why? Because they're doing the lesson.
the first experiment, we're going to do what? It's like I forget this thing.
The first, you can hold it.
Okay. All right, he's gonna drop a
Oh
joke
wait,
and
another
Paper at the same time. Angel, I said back there, I need to record them. Baby, you can sit,
Xavier,
but
sit
sit
back
over
there.
there.
Sit back there.
Right
Come on.
here, right
Over
here,
there, Bob.
away from the camera, okay?
Okay.
Right here? Where my boots are. Where my boots are, right there.
No.
Right there.
and
Come on,
Matthew,
right?
Matthew, right? That's fine for Matthew.
Yeah.
All right, Matthew.
Wait, this is really zoomed in. How do we zoom it out? Well, that's just how it is.
Yeah, that's how.
So
we
you
Oh, that's
want,
really
so you want me to change my
okay.
voice?
No, that's fine. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. 10 minutes.
And then we're gonna do the other two and then three. All right, Matthew, how are you?
Right?
How you doing? All right.
Wait, Alan, how do you turn on the light? It's not turning on. I don't know how to use your phone. I'm already on camera mode, but how do I use the light?
it should have like automatic thing. I don't know.
I'm doing some work. Yeah.
Darling.
What?
Can you pass this,
What? Mom, I can't right now.
Let's do that.
Oh, I was in the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hurry up.
Then, yeah.
Okay.
It don't matter because I could edit whatever.
Okay.
Well, let me just pass this. Hurry up, Mom.
See.
And let me just go back down. Yeah.
All right.
Angel, do not get up in the middle, okay? And be careful with your fingers.
Matthew, how are you?
Oh, no, don't start yet. My mom's coming through. Hurry up!
I don't know when to start.
Hurry up.
I'm going that way. Okay, go ahead.
But stay over there.
I am.
Take Potter too. All right. I'm ready when you are.
I think you should restart the video.
No, it's
I'm
okay.
doing
Just
work.
got stuck in.
Daddy, you're messing up my
Ready? 10 minutes.
See. Okay. Ready? Matthew, how are you?
Okay.
Today we're gonna do an experiment.
Yeah.
Can we find out which one of these two objects are gonna fall faster? Which one do you think?
I think the book is gonna fall faster
Really? Why?
because it's heavier.
Okay. So let's try. Wow. It seems to be like that, right? Now, can we try two coffee filters? And let's see which one is gonna fall fastest?
Okay.
I'm doing work great.
What happened? I felt that one fell first, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think could be the reason for that?
I think it was like, well, it depends, like, because gravity and everything brings it down. So I'm guessing.
How about like whichever one you release first, maybe? Do you think that might contribute to that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's pick those up and let's try another experiment. Now let's try these 12.
I don't know, guys, what you're doing, but I know what I'm doing.
Really? And what is that, young man? Professor Chrisman, right? You don't mind that this young man do like another experiment, right? I don't think so. Alright, well,
You like that? I'm in a miss for cutting up.
alright. So we have these 12 coffee filters, right? Let's try this one and this one. Which one of those two you think is gonna fall first? Hold on, predict it first.
The one on the right is gonna
Why?
fall faster because it's more heavier. It has more of the coffee filters.
Now, do you think that the reason that this side fell faster was because that it's heavier?
Yeah, it's heavier, so gravity is gonna
Yes, the
gravity's gonna pull it down faster than the lighter,
So, do you think objects fall at the same rate or at different rates?
different rates.
And that's because why? You think?
Because the like the weight, the gravity will affect gravity, and gravity will grab onto it faster and bring it down.
Do you think that maybe the air resistance might cause something to like make it go down faster or less than that? It's lighter, right? So that means it's less air
Less-
resistance.
Yeah.
So there might be a misconception that because it's heavier, it's gonna fall faster.
Yeah, it depends. Like with the air and everything, it depends.
Okay. What would be another example you think?
What you mean?
Okay, it fell faster, right? This one fell slower because there's less mass, right?
Yeah.
This one fell faster because it's heavier. That means that if an object has
can't
less
go.
air resistance, it's gonna fall slower, right? Versus something that has more. Like a feather, right? Look at a feather. We throw a feather. Rather like a ball,
Ball's gonna fall down first.
because it's heavier, right?
Yeah.
And the feather has less air resistance.
And when you pick it up.
Yeah. So that might be like a reason why it might. So we need to investigate that further, right? All right. Now. All right. What do you suggest that we should that we should do next? I think that. Why don't we try? Why don't we add the same amount on that side? What do you think?
Sure.
How many do you have on this side?
7.
7?
So just give me a sec.
So do you think that they should fall on the same rate? Since we determined that, if they have the same weight, then they should fall at the same time, right?
Yeah, but it depends, about with the wind.
Well, okay, let me test the wind in your house. I don't know, I can't tell the wind in your house, like the wind velocity is like confusing me.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
That they might fall down, at different rates.
Because maybe, why?
Because not everything could be the same.
Grandma.
That's a good point, but because maybe the way you're releasing them,
Yeah. So one might release before the other.
that's a good point, right, Sarah? Like
Yeah.
Professor Chrisman? Write that down, you're great. Alright, let's try it now. Alright, we have the same amount of coffee filters, right? Hey Professor, how are you? But remember, that's like pretty close, right?
This one fell down faster.
But like how much faster? What do you think?
No, it was like
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 like a half a second, right?
yeah.
Do you think that maybe it was your hands? You think that maybe you released one a little bit sooner than the other?
Yeah.
Like you really want like those super slow cameras that Professor Chrisman has. We don't have that. He has a new iPhone, so we don't have that.
Let's try it again.
You wanna try it again?
Yeah.
Can we try it again? Let's try it again.
Let's switch the image.
Oh, I like that. That was a good point. Let's switch hands, right? I think that that side was higher than your other side.
Alright.
But wait a minute, hold on. Matthew, don't you think that that's higher than that?
I think they look about the same.
Really? Look at. No, let me bájate un poco. Súbete un poco.
Alex.
This is not up here like that. Hold on. That was like pretty close, right?
Yeah.
So then, can we then come to a conclusion that if
And
both
loading.
objects weigh the same,
I'll be
and they
back.
have the same mass,
Being back.
then
Being
they
back.
should fall at the same rate, right?
Mama being
Well, it depends,
Mama being
and everything, but you can't.
Mama being
Nothing could fall at the same
Mama
time.
being
Why do you feel like that?
Because if you're gonna release it from like both hands, not
You did.
everything's gonna be
You
the
just did
same.
right now.
Not everything's gonna be the same.
Because you could release one before the other, right?
Yeah.
That's true. But they were pretty close, right? They were like, you release one and you release the other, and they kind of like drop at the same time. We did it already another time, and they both drop at the same time. So then you could say that the reason that they might not drop at the same time is because of human error.
Yeah.
So then there's got to be some universal law, like they say that Newton laws, like all, objects fall at the same rate, and the difference that determines that is air resistance and the rate with which you drop things. You agree, Matthew?
Yeah.
All right. So, you have any other suggestions?